Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating simple failures. Power down and reseat the SSD, then swap the cable or port because loose connections mimic no media. Once done, boot into BIOS/UEFI and confirm the controller mode and NVMe/SATA detection. If the drive appears, Windows may be the issue. Make sure to try the drive in another system or via a USB adapter to isolate motherboard versus SSD failure. These steps tell you whether to proceed to software recovery or to consider hardware replacement. You now move into the operating system to read what the controller reports. Open Disk Management to find uninitialized or offline disks. If the SSD shows as unallocated, initialize it to GPT or MBR depending on your needs. If the drive is invisible, use DiskPart to list disks. When you know the right disk, cleaning can remove corrupt partition tables. Be careful, this erases data. Also, check Device Manager for driver conflicts. Update or uninstall NVMe/SATA drivers, and scan for hardware changes to re-establish communication. You finish by restoring file system access. Create a partition, format it with NTFS or XFAT, and assign a drive letter so the OS can use the SSD. Once formatted, run chkdsk and the SSD maker's diagnostic tool to check smart health and apply firmware updates. These steps fix logical errors and controller bugs. If problems persist, perform a secure erase or firmware recovery utility. And if the drive remains no media afterward, prepare for RMA. Use manufacturer support because
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.